Hi, today in front of me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So we should first launch the Play Store application, and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this up. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to the left down corner to OK. So now we can see here information about our battery temperature, and we can see that in my case that's 33 and 3 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.